How to use Roblox FPS Unlocker. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can use the Roblox FPS Unlocker. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, go to this GitHub link available on your screen right now. Then you'll be redirected to this page over here. What you need to do is copy all of the text over here. You can see the copy icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you need to open a new folder on your home page. Simply go to the right click on your mouse, then select on new, then add a text document. You have to name it to client app settings.json. After that, you need to open that text document folder. Then you need to paste all of the text that you just copied. Here on the FPS section, you can select what kind of FPS that you want and then simply type on it. After that, you can cross out this option and then save the file. After that, open the file location for Roblox. After that, open a new folder once you're here. You have to name the file client settings and then drag and drop the file that you just created and make sure that it is not a text document but a JSON file. If it isn't, then you can convert it by using any of your preferred software. And there you go. That is how to use Roblox FPS Unlocker. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.